Why are there not more people talking about the Aztec Death Whistle? It's an ancient artifact that sounds like a scream from your nightmares. And it's absolutely real. Crafted over 500 years ago, this whistle produces a scream that could terrify anyone. Historians think Aztec warriors used them to scare their enemies in battle. Picture hundreds of these wailing at once. Others say it echoed through sacrifice rituals, mimicking the cries of the dead. Would you dare hear it at night? Follow Curioso Factz for more forgotten horrors from history.